so we're going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Standard Base Box for March. So before we jump into the video, if y'all are new here, hey, welcome. My name's Rhonda, better known as HOTMESSMOMMAMD. We're over here. We embrace the hot mess. We are 99.99% highly caffeinated at all times, and it's a judgment and drama-free zone, so hopefully you decide this is a channel for you and you'll stick around. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay guys, so before I get into the actual physical unboxing, real quick, if you're new to Boxycharm, the Standard Base Box is a $25 a month box where you will receive a guaranteed $125 worth of product in here. Now, I'm going to jump right into the weight of my box. Now, I personally just weigh it on my mail scale. So for my mail scale, it came to 1 pound 6.4 ounces. Now, like I said, this is a monthly base box, or this is a monthly $25 a month box. You always get a little postcard in here, and this month's theme is pretty edgy, so this is what the card looks like. And then on the back, it does tell you about each product, as well as you do get a variation. My variation for this month is 46, and like I said, it tells you a little bit about each item in your box, as well as the retail value. Okay, so when it comes to the Standard Base Box, we do get to customize one item in our box every single month. I can't remember the choices, believe it or not, but you know, mom life. I will try and remember to post a picture up here of the items that we had available to choose from. I know one was like the Murad eye gel. I think the other one was the QMS lip line filler thingy, and then the last one I want to say was the Suture Beauty maybe curling wand. Like I said, I'll pop a picture over here. Now, the item that they did send to me, because this is sent to me in PR to review, I'm not being paid to talk about this, but I do get to unbox this fortunately every single month, and thank you Boxycharm for sending this my way. The first item that I received that was part of the customization was the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. You guys know your girl loves skincare. I've been all about the anti-aging skincare, whatever I can get my hands on since I turned 40. I'll be 42 this year, and be watching for a skincare video. I'm going to do a couple of different skincare videos very, very soon. So anyways, that was the first item. This does have a retail value of $70. It says deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream, a blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract to seal in the moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and to restore smoothness. So I'm all about that, because you guys know I use retinol products all the time, and I do occasionally put it up under my eye just a little bit, and so my under eyes do get a little dry. By the way, you guys always ask when I wear these earrings where I got them. I bought them like 4 years ago at Nordstrom Rack, so I don't know the brand, but it was at Nordstrom Rack, and I think I paid like 10 bucks. Okay, so the next item is KBD, but it is formerly known as Kat Von D. This is the brow pencil. It's KBD Vegan Beauty Signature Brow Precision Pencil. Just like a signature, your brows are uniquely personal. Signature Brow Precision Pencil allows you to create your dream brow shape, blah, 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 $21. You guys know, I am like 99.99% positive majority of the time, and I like to make anything work. I feel like even though I'm not a makeup artist, I feel like I do pretty well getting things to work for me. I could not get this thing to work for me, okay? So it came in the shade Blonde, and I did swatch it. Let's see if it'll show up. Okay, so you can see that I did swatch it. It matches what it says. I don't know if that's it, if you guys can see that, but hopefully you can. I have to say, this pencil, like, I already struggle with my brows. I openly admit I do not have a strong brow game. With that being said, you guys know I do have anxiety, and when I get tired, nervous, whatever it is, I am like an eyebrow rubber, okay? I get nervous, I pick the eyebrows, whatever it is, whatever. Anywho, so I heavily rely on a brow pencil, pomade, whatever it is, to fill those areas of my anxiousness in, you know? With that being said, I don't want to lose any more of the brows that I already take out myself. This was very hard and waxy. like very hard and waxy. Like I'm really rubbing to get that swatch for you guys. So for me, this is a big time no-no. I love my $5.50 brow pencil from ColourPop. So with that said, I mean, you get a spoolie on this ColourPop one as well. To me, this is not even close to being worth it. I am not one that, I don't do like reviews based on the person behind the brand, okay? So I'm not telling you that because of any of that. I don't get into that drama, aka drama free zone, you know? I literally do my reviews based off the product, not the person. This product is a definite no-go for me. Like I said, it's very hard, very waxy, and I don't, like I said, I don't want to lose any more brows than I already take out myself. So for me, this is a no, unfortunately, because I love brow pencils, especially if they work well, you know? Okay, so the next item, oh, I love this so much. This is by Hank & Henry. I told you guys in my sneak peek video, I was so flippin' excited about this. Now, I do believe this was a variation product, so y'all were either going to receive the Hank & Henry Living in Color palette or the Hello Charmer. Now, I told you guys when I did my sneak peek video, I wasn't for sure if we were gonna be receiving both of them, and we weren't. It was only one or the other. You guys explained it to me. I get a little overexcited, whatever. So, anywho, this is the 9-pan palette. It does have a retail value of $27. And I will have a video over here of this eye look that I did. Now this video is a first impression for this palette. This is a beautiful 9-pan palette. It's a little hard. I don't think that was in focus. Sorry guys. But it is a beautiful palette. It's a little bit large. So, I mean, some people get a little funny about that, but it doesn't bother me. I find a place for everything. Everything has a home when it comes to makeup in my opinion. But I love this. And honestly, I told you guys in the sneak peek video, I was a little nervous about it because for me, I love like a base and I like a good transition shade. And surprisingly enough, this worked really well for me. It wasn't too dark. I was able to blend it out really nicely. Like I said, you're going to see it in here. I used a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades out of these 9 shades, and I really enjoy the Hank & Henry formula. I thought everything blended out really well and built up significantly, probably not saying that right. Anyhow, I thought it built up really well. I will say I totally forgot to attempt to use the glitter or the shimmers with a brush. Normally I will go both ways and use one with a brush and pack it on there and then go back in with my finger. I forgot about that, so I just went right in with my finger on all the shimmers and they were beautiful. Like I didn't have where it wouldn't go or build up on my lid at all. So I'm very happy with this formula. I will come back. I will do more looks for you guys. And I have to say, if you also get the Boxy Luxe, you will be receiving the Hello Charmer palette by Boxycharm. So, like I said in that sneak peek video, these are going to pair beautifully together. So, anyway, super happy about that. A little bit about the palette. Like I said, it retails for $27. It says, are you ready to start hashtag living in color? Visibly inspired by the late 90s and early 2000s MySpace realness, each one of these eyeshadows can be worn by itself and blended out for the artist on the go. And I have to say, I think that would be really pretty. I was watching Marlena Still do a video where she had taken, I want to say it was her, she had taken like a really dark color and she had packed it on and then just blended that color out, and it was just so simple but yet so beautiful and so like high-end looking, you know what I mean? Like you had gone to a makeup artist. I'm making my video long, sorry guys. But anyways, long story short, love this palette. Super excited to receive that in this box. The next item that we did receive is the Spongel Body Wash Infused Buffer. Now these have a retail value of $16. I've gotten these in the past in like a past subscription like FabFitFun, I want to say, when I used to get FabFitFun, and I love these. I absolutely love these. Now the thing with these, the Spongel Unique Body Wash Infused Buffer. So meaning, literally, all you gotta do, hold on, I'll take it out of the box because I'm totally gonna use it. And it's really cute. Do you see that? You can smell it through here. It's just a nice, soft, clean scent. But it's like this little sponge. All you gotta do is get it wet, You squeeze it just a smidgen and it literally like soaks up. You wash your body and that is that. And it literally lasted me like a month. So sometimes we will see these in our Charmer Rewards store. So the Charmer Rewards program, I really cannot talk today for nothing. I'll be honest, I've only had a Bang. We're gonna sidetrack because that's what I do. I've only had a Bang energy drink today. I tried the new Apple Crisp. You guys were so right. Thank you for those of you who recommended that brand new Apple Crisp. It is delicious. I haven't had my coffee yet, so I feel like my brain to mouth ratio is so off because I'm not caffeinated enough. I'm just, yeah. Anywho, but I really like these and I was happy to see that in our Boxycharm. Like I said, retail value of this is $16 and I'm happy with it personally. And like I said, oh, that's what I started to say. The Charmer Reward program is when you sign up for Boxycharm, you get a referral link. When you share that referral link and you give it to a friend and your friend decides to sign up and they're getting even the standard base box, the $25 box, you receive rewards for that. And when you save up your rewards, you can go shopping every so often in the Charmer Reward store. And like I said, I've seen these in the reward store before. I've gotten the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist in there. There's like Becca products in there, Violet Voss. There's all kinds of products that circulate through there. So definitely make sure to share your referral link. Okay, next I have in here, this is the last item. This is by Becca. This was the Glow Gloss and Champagne Cream. I have this on today. I don't have a lip liner on either with it. And I've actually received this in the past, which again, not a big deal to me because I actually really like this. But let me show you guys a quick little swatch. Okay, so it's just a real sheer, but like kind of a little bit of a warmth in there. And it looks like it's gonna be like a little on the glittery side, but it's really not. It's really pretty and it's really comfortable. It's not like that, you know what I mean? Like when you put your lips together and you pull them apart, you're like, oh my gosh, you know, like webby lips. You don't have that at all. And it's really pretty. And I think it's going to be one of those lip glosses that you could just wear all year round or on top of lipstick and be really happy with it. So let's go ahead and total up everything. The grand total of everything in this box came to $156. Now mind you, this was a $25 box. And I'll tell you, I really enjoyed this box, minus the KVD or the Kat Von D pencil. I thought that was horrible. Not happy about that, but even if we subtract that, we're still well over that $25 mark. And it's one of those things I try and tell you guys all the time, that when it comes to a subscription box, you know, you have to be open to try out other brands, other products, other items. And I will say, out of the 5 items I got, I love everything, minus that one. So I still have 4 items in here that I'm very pleased with, that, you know, I've tried out, tested out, had in the past, whatever. Glad to have it in backup. Glad to try it in the future. So anyways, guys, that is the Boxycharm version 46 box for March. Always think about gifts, guys. I think that if you are trying to build your collection, grow your collection, start a collection, definitely consider a Boxycharm Standard Base Box. Like I said, there's other tiers, or maybe I forgot to mention that, there's other tiers with Boxycharm. There is the premium box, that's $35, and then of course we have the Boxy Luxe. Now that's not a monthly box, that is like every couple months. There is the Boxy Luxe, that is $49.99. But if you want to just kind of get your foot in the door and you just want to, you know, start growing your collection or even building up your collection, this is a great way to start that. You get a mixture of makeup, skincare, there's hair care that shows up. So anyways, let me know down below you guys' thoughts of your March Standard Base Box. Did you guys enjoy it? Was it worth your $25? I definitely have to say that I am very pleased with it. You're not going to win them all. There's going to be some hits, there's going to be some misses. So overall, I do feel like this was a really good box and worth the $25 plus tax. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, whether it be the Standard Base Box, the Premium, the Luxe, whatever it may be, I will have a referral link down below. That referral link is an affiliate link, so I will earn a commission. So thank you in advance if you do decide to use my link to sign up with Boxycharm. But like I said, guys, let me know down below what version you got. Did you enjoy your box? And don't forget to subscribe because I do Boxycharm sneak peeks. So there will definitely be more videos coming out throughout the month about April's Boxycharm Base Box and Premium Box. Okay, guys, I'm hopping up because your girl needs some coffee. I definitely need more caffeine in my life. Anyways, friends, don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. I'll have lots of information in my description box down below. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!